Installing Acumatica involves several steps to ensure the software is properly set up for use. Here's a concise guide to help you get started. System requirements. Verify that your system meets Acumatica's hardware and software requirements. Ensure you have a compatible Windows Server, SQL Server, and Net Framework installed. Download installation files. Obtain the Acumatica installation package from the official Acumatica website or your service provider. Ensure you have the necessary licenses and access credentials. Install SQL Server. If you haven't already, install Microsoft SQL Server. Acumatica requires a database to store its data. Follow SQL Server installation guides to set it up. Run the installer. Unzip the downloaded Acumatica installation package and run the setup executable file. The installer will guide you through the installation process. Database configuration. During the installation, you will need to configure the database settings. Provide the SQL service instance name and create or select a database for Acumatica. Web server configuration. Configure the web server settings, specifying the website name, application pool, and port number. Ensure IIS is installed and properly configured on your server. Application setup. Complete the application setup by entering the necessary information, such as the instance name, admin credentials, and email settings. License activation. Activate your Acumatica license using the license key provided by your service provider. This step ensures that your installation is validated and fully functional. Finalizing installation. After configuration, the installer will complete the setup process. You can then log into the Acumatica ERP system using the admin credentials. Post-installation tasks. Perform any additional configurations needed for your business, such as setting up user roles, permissions, and modules.